KitchenAid is expanding its cordless footprint with a new ecosystem of cordless small appliances. All 6 of these appliances is powered by one removable lithium-ion battery. So let me tell you more about the battery. There are 4 indicator lights that light up, letting the consumer know where their charge is up to. 4 flashing lights means the battery is fully charged. When the battery gets down to its final 10%, one indicator light will continuously flash as a reminder that it's time to charge the battery. A completely flat battery will take about 3 hours to charge back to 100%. The battery comes with a USB charging cord, and the battery is available with 2 products only. So they are our most popular products. The battery is included with the hand blender and also the hand mixer. The other 4 products, the battery needs to be purchased separately. Also, a separate purchase is a charging dock where you can just charge your battery somewhere neatly so it just tucks away and it's always there to pop your battery back on charge. So the dock is not necessary, it's just an extra accessory that consumers can purchase. So one battery charges the whole ecosystem of cordless products.